looks like it comes to the end of the rain season. There's no waves at all into the ocean today. Agong is absolutely clear. Time to go. So we'll do some diving today. That's the main plan. And then we'll see how the thing's going. See you later. If you like this video, consider to subscribe. Next door is a kind of big celebration. They occupied all Amed Cafe hotel and celebrating something. I have no idea, but it looks great. I just passed by, the people dancing, amazing. This morning I did a diving with a new guy in my episodes, and his name is Sergey. Hello Sergey. And we went in the water and there was a lot of tiny jellyfish. It wasn't like one or two, it was like millions of them, really small, kind of stinging, not really strong, but anyways it was really uncomfortable. So finally we stayed in the upper, like a top layer of the water, because they are not on the surface, but let's say from the bottom up, like from the bottom couple of meters up, and it was just impossible to swim there just because it's stinging and it's so uncomfortable feeling. Sounds like it becomes really loud there, and I have to look for another place to record this video. That is Bobby. Bobby, that's one of the first person I contacted here in Amed when I came here 4 years ago. Story is that I arrived in Amed just before the Nyepi, just before the Bali is closed for the Nyepi, right? So for the New Year. And then first night in Amed I stayed in that room. So basically there's a long story about that, but that's basically what happened. I arrived here, I didn't book anything because my plan was a little bit different, but then I just simply stayed in that room all the Nyepi, and that's where all my ideas about doing instructor course with Eco Dive came up. Really historical place. By the way, good place to stay. A lot of our guests actually stays here because it's so comfortable. So just look at that. It's a room there, pool here, dive center really close. You just walk the beach approximately, I don't know, 200 meters, and then you're in a dive center. Great memories, great memories. It's not paid promotion, I've really lived in that room for I think I stayed there for three days, and then I moved to another place across the street, also owned by Bobby. And so yeah, then in that room I stayed for 1 month, because this one was kind of expensive to stay 1 month. That day I came from the Gillies I dropped the bags in my room, and the first thing I did, I just went, and it was already dark, and I just went into the ocean and swam a little bit, and it was kind of release, because there was a moment when I made one of the most epic mistakes in my life, and actually that was actually a luck, not a mistake, because yeah, that made me to stay here in Amed and keep going. It's easy to get episodes when you go somewhere. Like a couple of days ago we went to the Chandidasa. It was like a kind of day off. There was no need to think about what I will film. There was no need what I will edit. I got the footage, and it was so easy to make an episode, and it was actually, and these episodes are really good, and it feels like a day off. Like for example today is one of those days when I don't know really what to say you. I started this journey, of course I'm going, and it's getting a little bit easier, but by I think all the way to 100 it was really hard. Then it became a little bit easier, then it's again really hard. It's ups and downs during all this journey. And if you're considering to start a daily vlog, definitely think twice and think where you're filming it. In my opinion, it's not okay just to post something. You have to upload interesting videos. Interesting, it means the people will watch, and I actually feeling it. It's like the episode from 2 days ago about the Chandidasa trip is so interesting for the people and people watching. Well, for example, yesterday's episode is not that interesting for you. I don't know, it's just, of course I cannot give you 365 amazing episodes. It's just simply impossible. If I would just travel around Indonesia, I would be able to travel. Theoretically I can do it, but it's all based on a financial side, but it would be easier. But since I'm here in Amed, and kind of it's still a lot of things to do here, but you're kind of a little bit limited, and you really have to think twice what you will make an episode about. From now it's actually like people they are really tired of being locked and all this stuff, and I think in some point they are not giving a shit about all this pandemic anymore, definitely. I think we are just simply tired from all this. We were watching all the tutorials possible, took the online courses possible, but now it's kind of enough. Everybody's doing these vaccinations, but it doesn't really guarantee you that you will not get sick again. So where is the difference? Alright, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again.
Does somebody know of a place where your heart doesn't sink like a stone? When you're naked and broken, nowhere to go. Does somebody know? Does somebody know of a place where the green isn't covered by snow? Every time that your eyes speak, it's time to let go. Does somebody know?